Alright, in this video, we'll be going over the Cusimax water kettle. This is a CMWK 150G model. Looking on the side here, it claims to have up to 1.7 liters or a 7 cup volume. It also has a high quality glass body with a blue LED illumination, as well as concealed stainless steel heating element and a 360-degree swivel power base. Also claims to be BPA-free. Alright, let's open up and take a look inside. Comes with a nice little Cusimax gift and extended warranty card and a nice little letter of "Have a nice day." First to your product. This here appears to be the power base. Looks like there's nothing else in the box. So here is the actual Cusimax water kettle itself. Very nice looking clear stainless steel as well as glass. You can see it does say a max of 1.7 liters. Looks like a stainless steel bottom. Lid opens up, just a push of a button. This lid is made of plastic, but should be BPA free as mentioned on the box. The spout itself is made of stainless steel. And it does look like it has some plastic piece. I don't know if you can see that right there on the outrance on the way going out. There it is. It's got the little piece of plastic out there. Looks like it's a sleeve to keep things from spilling into the water itself, but again, should be BPA free. And then those look like the LED lights towards the bottom. Here's the base. Assuming this should be a very simple plug and play. There we go. It sits on, you can spin. As for the base itself, the power cord pretty much wrap around the bottom of the base. So we'll go ahead and put some water in here and see how it looks and about how long it takes to heat up. And I don't know if you're able to see there, but this is full all the way to 1.7 liters. It is reverse osmosis water, for what that's worth. So I'll set it on top and then I'll just turn it over. All right, so far it has been about 1 minute since we have started. And as you can see, it's starting to form little bubbles towards the bottom. All right, so we're coming up on about 3 minutes. It's really starting to make some noise now. Past 6 minutes. It kind of sounds like things are starting to slow down. You can see all the condensation that's built up. So now that's what I would consider bubbling hot. So at about 7 minutes roughly, it takes to bubble up. And if you kind of look from the top, I don't know if you can see that, but there's steam. Kind of fell on the camera now. So I would consider that bubbling, and it just turned itself off. So at about 7.5 minutes, roughly, a little bit before that, is typically what it takes for this thing to get as hot as it can get, and then have yourself a nice cup of hot water. There we go. All right, hope y'all found that useful.